GoPro and I'm.
What do we gotta do for feed?
Huskies are out here.
Decided they hate sand and they want to bail out. Parking lot's right up this way.
You want to run back?
What's that?
You want to run back?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Excuse me, gentlemen.
Okay, I'll go check them. They're just up ahead. Good? Right in the middle of the trip. You had it. Alright, this is north of 901 Where's it gonna go? Here we go. Send it! Yeah!
You called it.
That other one back there is the one we did last time we were here.
It's our second log of the day. We're gonna try to see what we can do here. All right, I'm gonna film us taking this one out. You have 20 miles of gas left? Yeah. Oh, shoot. And I left my siphon at the house today. I usually keep one in my pack for this kind of stuff.
No, let's put it down a second.
So we're worried the motor is hydrolocked here. Fell over in the water and ran for a minute and wouldn't start, but...
Look at here, Husqvarna others.
Oh, I'm so jealous. Gosh, you kidding me? I've got two fiddly little 8mm bolts I got to take out to do that. Oh, that's a puddle. There we go. So here's our predicament. We're sending it through a giant puddle, and one of the guys fell over in the middle of it. I say puddle, it's more like a small lake, 100 feet long and probably 3 feet deep. Bike fell over, bike was still running. I think we hydrolocked it. Wouldn't turn over at all when we started. We were able to get turnover. Now it won't fire, so we're trying to get the spark plug out and get it dried off, and maybe that'll do it. We got her going again. So here's the next obstacle. You can't really tell, but that is a deep and very long lake. You can't even see the end of it. That is not the end of it. It keeps going. And some of the guys are going to send it through here. Oh, that's not bad. Okay, that's not as deep as I expected. Now I gotta go. All right, we all made it back. We made it through that lake. It's probably 250 feet long. Anywhere from 1.5 feet to 3 feet deep in some places. Definitely sketch, but drove home.